Welcome to the enchanting Bath Christmas Market. Nestled in the heart of the historic city of Bath, this market is a festive wonderland that draws visitors from all over the world. Running from late November to mid-December, the Bath Christmas Market transforms the city's Georgian streets into a magical winter paradise. What makes Bath Christmas Market special? Over 200 chalets. Explore more than 180 beautifully decorated wooden chalets, each offering unique gifts, handmade crafts, and festive treats. Local artisans. Support local businesses and artisans by purchasing one-of-a-kind items that you won't find anywhere else. Festive food and drink. Indulge in seasonal delights like mulled wine, mince pies, and other delicious treats that will warm you up on a chilly day. Stunning location. Set against the backdrop of Bath's iconic landmarks, including the Roman baths and Bath Abbey, the market's location adds to its charm. Entertainment. Enjoy live music, carol singing, and street performances that add to the festive atmosphere. Family-friendly. With activities for all ages, including a visit from Father Christmas, it's a perfect outing for families. Eco-friendly initiatives. The market is committed to sustainability, with many stallholders using eco-friendly materials and practices. Accessibility. The market is designed to be accessible to everyone, with facilities and services to ensure a comfortable visit for all. Community spirit. The market supports local charities and community groups, making it a celebration that gives back. Magical lights. As the sun sets, the market comes alive with twinkling lights and festive decorations, creating a truly magical experience. Bath, located in Somerset, England, is a city steeped in history and renowned for its Roman-built baths. The city's origins date back to around 60 AD, when the Romans established it as Aquae Sulis, dedicated to the goddess Sulis Minerva. The hot springs in Bath were believed to have healing properties, attracting visitors from across the Roman Empire. The Roman baths, a well-preserved site, remain a major attraction today. After the Romans, Bath continued to thrive, with Bath Abbey being founded in the 7th century. The abbey has seen several reconstructions, including significant work in the 12th and 16th centuries. In the 18th century, Bath experienced a renaissance as a fashionable spa town, largely due to the efforts of socialite Richard, Beau, Nash, and architects like John Wood the Elder and Younger. They transformed the city with stunning Georgian architecture, including the Royal Crescent and the Circus, crafted from the distinctive Bath stone. This period saw Bath become a hub for high society, attracting notable figures such as Jane Austen. Today, Bath is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated for its historical significance, architectural beauty, and cultural heritage. Bath, a city renowned for its stunning Georgian architecture and historic Roman baths, holds a special place in literary history due to its connection with the famous author Jane Austen. Jane Austen lived in Bath from 1801 to 1806, and the city's vibrant social scene and elegant surroundings greatly influenced her writing. Bath is prominently featured in two of her novels, Northanger Abbey and Persuasion, where she vividly depicts the city's allure and the intricacies of its social life. Visitors to Bath can explore the Jane Austen Center, which offers insights into her life and works, and participate in the annual Jane Austen Festival, celebrating her enduring legacy. The city's landmarks, such as the Pump Room and the Assembly Rooms, provide a glimpse into the Regency era that Austen so eloquently captured in her novels. Another famous event in relation to this famous author is the Jane Austen Festival. The Jane Austen Festival in Bath is a delightful annual event that celebrates the life and works of the beloved author. Held every September, it is the largest and longest-running Jane Austen festival in the world, attracting thousands of enthusiasts from around the globe. The festival kicks off with the Regency Costumed Promenade, where over 500 participants don period attire and parade through the historic streets of Bath. Throughout the 10-day event, visitors can enjoy a variety of activities inspired by Austen's novels, including guided walks, costumed balls, theatrical performances, and insightful talks. The festival not only brings Jane Austen's world to life, but also highlights the charm and elegance of Bath, a city that significantly influenced her writing. We are walking along Union Street and Cheap Street, which are two bustling shopping streets in the heart of Bath, United Kingdom. Union Street, along with Stall Street, forms a main artery through the city, lined with a variety of shops, cafes, and vibrant seating areas adorned with stunning floral displays. It leads up to Milsom Street, another popular shopping destination. Cheap Street, on the other hand, is known for its charming mix of independent boutiques and high street stores, offering a unique shopping experience. Both streets are integral to Bath's lively retail scene, providing visitors with a delightful blend of modern and traditional shopping options. Westgate Street in Bath, United Kingdom, is steeped in history and has played a significant role in the city's development. Originally one of the main thoroughfares in medieval Bath, it was named after the West Gate, one of the city's original gates. The street has been a bustling hub for centuries, with its history dating back to at least the 17th century, when it became known for its coaching inns. One of the most notable inns was the Westgate, which dates back to 1611 and served as a key stop for stagecoaches traveling between London and Bath. In the 18th century, Westgate Street continued to thrive as Bath became a fashionable spa town. The street was lined with elegant townhouses and shops catering to the city's affluent visitors. One of the few remaining Elizabethan buildings in Bath, located at 14 Westgate Street, was originally built as a townhouse for the wealthy to take the waters. Over the years, the street has evolved but still retains much of its historical charm, with a mix of modern shops and historic buildings that reflect Bath's rich architectural heritage. This is Bath Abbey during Christmas time. Nestled in the heart of Bath, Somerset, Bath Abbey is a stunning example of perpendicular Gothic architecture. This historic church, officially known as the Abbey Church of St. Peter and St. Paul, has been a place of worship for over 1,000 years. Here are some interesting facts about Bath Abbey. Ancient origins. The site has been a place of Christian worship since 675 AD, when a convent was first established. Royal connections. In 973 AD, King Edgar, the first king of all England, was crowned here, marking a significant moment in British history. Architectural marvel. The Abbey is renowned for its magnificent fan vaulting, a hallmark of Gothic architecture, which was added during the 19th century restoration by Sir George Gilbert Scott. Dissolution and restoration. The Abbey was dissolved during the reign of Henry VIII in 1539 and fell into disrepair. It was later restored in the 16th century and again in the 19th century. Stunning stained glass. The Abbey boasts beautiful stained glass windows, including the Great East Window, which depicts scenes from the life of Jesus. Jacob's Ladder. The west front of the Abbey features sculptures of angels climbing to heaven on two stone ladders, representing Jacob's Ladder. War memorials. Inside, you'll find numerous memorials and plaques commemorating local people who served in various wars. Musical heritage. Bath Abbey is home to 2 organs and hosts regular concerts and recitals, making it a hub for music lovers. Heritage vaults. Beneath the Abbey, the Heritage Vaults Museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the Abbey's rich history and the city of Bath. Active parish. Today, Bath Abbey remains an active place of worship and community gathering, hosting services, events, and educational programs. Make sure to visit Bath Abbey during Christmas or whenever you visit Bath. We are currently walking through the Kingston Parade. It is a historically significant area located near Bath Abbey. Originally part of the monastic precinct of Bath Abbey, the area was transformed following the dissolution of the monasteries in 1539. The land passed through various private owners until it was inherited by Evelyn Pierpont, the second Duke of Kingston-upon-Hull, in 1726. The Duke initiated significant development in the area, including the demolition of the old Abbey House and the construction of new buildings and streets, such as Kingston Buildings and Church Street. During the 18th century, as Bath grew in popularity as a spa town, Kingston Parade became a central part of the city's social and architectural landscape. The area now features a mix of historical and modern elements, with the Abbey churchyard and the adjacent Kingston buildings providing a picturesque setting for visitors. Today, Kingston Parade is a vibrant public space, often used for events and exhibitions, reflecting Bath's rich heritage and ongoing cultural significance. We are about to go under the Bath Archway. It is located next to the Roman Baths on York Street. The Archway is a notable historical structure in Bath, United Kingdom. Built around 1889 by city architect Major Charles Davis, the archway was designed to carry hot water from the King's Spring to a new Victorian spa. The hot water was pumped through cast iron pipes in a tunnel beneath the road, and then flowed back to the spa facilities through a pipe hidden inside the arch. This innovative design allowed the spa to utilize the natural thermal waters that Bath is famous for. Recently, the archway underwent cleaning and refurbishment to preserve its historical significance and maintain its structural integrity. Today, it stands as a testament to Bath's rich architectural and engineering heritage, seamlessly blending with the city's historic landscape. We are now on Stall Street, which is a historic thoroughfare that dates back to the late 18th century. Designed by the architect John Palmer, the street was constructed between the 1790s and the early 19th century. It forms an architectural group with several buildings that have been granted listed status due to their historical and architectural significance. Notably, Stall Street includes the north and south colonnades of the Grand Pump Room, a key feature of Bath's Georgian architecture. The street has long been a bustling commercial area, originally lined with shops and coaching inns that catered to visitors of the nearby Roman Baths and the Pump Room. Today, Stall Street remains a vibrant part of Bath city center, home to a mix of modern retail outlets and historic buildings. Its enduring charm and historical importance make it a significant part of Bath's rich heritage. We are now on Abbeygate Street, which is another historically significant street that once served as the southern entrance to the Bath Abbey precinct. This area was originally part of the monastic complex surrounding Bath Abbey, which dates back to the 7th century. The street's name is derived from the Abbey Gate, a grand gateway that marked the entrance to the Abbey grounds. Visitors entering through this gate would find themselves in a bustling courtyard, now known as Abbey Green, which housed the priory kitchen, brewhouse, stables, and workshops. The gatehouse itself was demolished in the mid-18th century, but the street and surrounding area have retained their historical charm. Today, Abbeygate Street is a picturesque part of Bath, featuring a mix of independent shops and eateries, and it remains a popular spot for both locals and tourists. The street's historical significance and its connection to Bath Abbey make it an integral part of the city's rich heritage. We are now entering Abbey Green. It is a charming and historically rich area. Originally built in the 17th century as a walled and gated courtyard for the Abbey, it has evolved into a vibrant community space. One of its most notable features is the ancient London plane tree, planted as a sapling in 1793, which now towers over the square. This tree is one of the oldest architecturally planted trees in the world and adds a unique character to the area. The area plays a significant role during the annual Bath Christmas market, where the tree is adorned with festive lights, creating a magical atmosphere. The hit Netflix series Bridgerton, while set in Regency-era London, features many scenes filmed in the picturesque city of Bath, United Kingdom. Bath's stunning Georgian architecture and well-preserved historical sites make it an ideal stand-in for 19th century London. Key locations include the iconic Royal Crescent, which serves as the exterior for the Featherington family's home, and the Holborn Museum, which doubles as Lady Danbury's residence. In front of you now is the Abbey Deli on Abbey Green, which was transformed into the Modiste Dress Shop, a central location in the series. Bath's UNESCO World Heritage status ensures its buildings retain their historical charm, providing an authentic backdrop for the show's lavish scenes. The city's honey-colored limestone buildings and cobbled streets add to the series' visual appeal, making Bath a must-visit for Bridgerton fans. Bath, United Kingdom, has been home to many notable and famous individuals across various fields. Here are a few. Jane Austen. The renowned author lived in Bath from 1801 to 1806, and the city features prominently in her novels Northanger Abbey and Persuasion. Mary Berry, the beloved British food writer and television presenter, known for her role on The Great British Bake Off, was born in Bath. William Herschel, the famous astronomer who discovered Uranus in 1781, lived in Bath, where he also built a telescope to observe the night sky. Caroline Herschel, William's sister, an accomplished astronomer in her own right, discovered several comets and was the first woman to receive a salary as a scientist. Beau Nash, the celebrated dandy and master of ceremonies in Bath during the 18th century, who played a significant role in establishing Bath as a fashionable spa town. Ralph Allen, a prominent entrepreneur and philanthropist who contributed to the development of Bath's Georgian architecture. John Wood the Elder and Younger, the architects responsible for many of Bath's iconic Georgian buildings, including the Royal Crescent and the Circus. Andrew Lincoln, the actor best known for his role as Rick Grimes in The Walking Dead, was brought up in Bath. Indira Verma, the actress known for her roles in Game of Thrones and Rome, was born in Bath. Tom Paine, an actor known for his roles in The Walking Dead and Prodigal Son, also hails from Bath. We are now approaching Southgate Street. It has a rich history dating back to medieval times. Originally known as Horse Street, it was a key route connecting the south gate of the city to St. Lawrence's Bridge over the River Avon. The street was lined with tenements and small workshops, reflecting its role as a bustling hub of trade and industry. In the 18th century, Southgate Street became even more significant with the opening of the Avon navigation in 1727, which brought increased commercial activity to the area. The street underwent significant changes in the 19th century, including the renaming to Southgate Street and the development of new buildings to accommodate the influx of visitors to Bath's famous spa. The area was redeveloped in the 1970s, transforming it into a modern shopping precinct. Today, Southgate Street is part of the Southgate Bath Shopping Center, blending contemporary retail spaces with the city's historic charm. The street's evolution from a medieval trade route to a modern commercial hub highlights Bath's dynamic history and its ability to adapt and thrive through the centuries. Thank you for joining us on this festive journey through the Bath Christmas Market. We hope you enjoyed exploring the charming chalets, indulging in delicious treats, and soaking up the magical atmosphere of this historic city. Bath's rich history and stunning architecture provide the perfect backdrop for a truly enchanting Christmas experience. If you love this glimpse into Bath's festive season and its fascinating history, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. We look forward to bringing you more adventures and insights into beautiful destinations like Bath. Happy holidays and see you in the next video.